Hello, this is Emmy from Techie Doodle Doo. I hope you're having a better morning than I am, or maybe not since you clicked on this video. But yeah, my morning started with me coming up, wanted to adjust my table to a higher position, and I blew a fuse, which had me a bit worried about the table. So I switched the fuse back on and went upstairs again to try to adjust my Uppspel table to a higher position again. And now I get the ASR code, which stands for All Systems Reset. So that's fun, but we will figure this out. In this video, we will fix the error. So here is my table, and this is the control panel. I'll just show you how it looks. So when we push up, I get the ASR code. It does want to go down, but it doesn't come back up again. So, first of all, we are going to have to lower the table as far as it goes, which means if you do have stuff under the table, that will be an obstruction. I know that my computer is not high enough for the table to collide with it, but if you do have something that the table can collide with, remove that first before you do this. Okay? So, I assume you have removed it now. So, now we will press down as far as the table goes. And there we go. And that's it. Our tables are alive again. So as you saw, the table went down as far as it went, which wasn't as far because my table was already super low. Your table might be going further down. And it went slightly back up while I was holding the down button. And then it went from the error code to the height of the table, the height position. So now we're able to get it back up. This is awesome. Our table works again, and I just have to be careful because my screen can bunk into the roof here. We have a slanted roof and I have made an indent in it already. So yeah. But yeah, table works. All good. Everyone is happy. Woohoo! So the table works. Hopefully yours do too. If not, contact Ikea support because they will probably be able to help you with that. However, this method should solve most of the ASR error codes. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Please leave a like if you did like it or if it did help you. And also consider becoming a part of the Techie family by subscribing. Yeah, guess that's it. Have a good one.